Okay, love, so I'm going to tell you what I have going on here in my pre-Christmas tour. So this video is to give you guys some ideas on how to decorate with teal or cerulean, mix and matching with silver and gold. So anyway, let's get started on this side of the room. The mirror came from Z Gallery. The gold and the cerulean pillows here also came from Z Gallery. This pillow in the middle came from Home Goods. My couch came from Rooms to Go. The lamp over in the corner came from Home Goods. My wall art came from Home Goods. My ginger jar came from Home Goods. The silver big one and the gold one came from Home Goods. Okay, loves, my coffee table came from Z Gallery. Love, love, love the details in my coffee table. My favorite part of the living room is my coffee table. The peacock came from Macys. This vase set here also came from Z Gallery. My rug actually came from rug. I love this rug. This is my most favorite rug of all time, just because it has the Greek key symbols on the side. But it came from Well Woven Rugs. Okay, I'm gonna move on this side of the room. This accent chair came from Style Up Corp. I'll leave the link below to it. You also can get this chair from Wayfair. Okay, the pillow actually came from, where did that pillow come from? I think this pillow came from On Cloud 9 shop. Yes, it did. On Cloud 9 shop. My throw here came from Z Gallery. The drapes actually came from Amazon. Little picks here, these acorn-like picks came from Michaels. They were in the Halloween section. And then my peacock feathers also came from Michaels. These came from Michaels. I think these actually came from Hobby Lobby, if I can get them out. Yeah, this right here actually came from Hobby Lobby, and the actual peacock feathers themselves came from Michaels. Love, 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 love it. Okay, so here's another peacock. Got these peacock for steal at Macys, and when I saw them, I knew that they went so perfect with my tree, so I grabbed myself 2 of those. So moving on to the tree. Oh my goodness, I so love this tree. My topper, the picks in the topper came from Craftex. The teal things that I have in the topper came from Walmart. The black birds came from Macys last year. Pretty much these little items here, these are like tree fillers, came from Hobby Lobby. The little black and gold deer came from Macys. Let's see here, I have some more the peacock feathers stuffed in here. And then my cerulean ornaments came from Walmart. The little ornaments here with the feathers on it actually came from Hobby Lobby. And let's see here, I think that's pretty much, oh, and this here, the balls here came from Pier 1 before they closed down. And that's pretty much all that I have going on my tree. And down at the bottom, we have the big gold deer. Actually came from Big Lots. The smaller deer actually came from Lowe's. My lanterns under the tree came from Z Gallery. And my gift boxes under the tree came from TJ Maxx a couple years ago. This accent table came from Z Gallery as well. Moving on this side to my entryway, the little Alpine trees came from Walmart last year. My wall art came from Ross, and believe it or not, this side of the wall art was like a powder blue, and I painted it white because I really like the gold in there. These 2 vases came from Home Goods, and this little stuff here, grass, it's really cute. I love it. Came from Craftex, and my candle holders came from Bath and Body Works. Now I did spray paint the base because I do have 2 sets of those. My entryway table came from Rooms to Go, but at one point you can get this entryway table from Wayfair. The deer on the side came from Hobby Lobby. The deer in the middle came from Lowe's, and my boxes came from Z Gallery. Moving over on this side, candles and deer from Home Goods. The stand also came from Home Goods. Okay, loves, now I purposely did this video in the evening time because I want to show you all how the room looks with the tree lit up, with my candles going, with my trees over here lit up, just so you can get that vibe that I love with the lights off. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and right after this I'll show you the room with the lights off, which I call the night glow. Thanks for watching.